Okay friends, now we are going to make a Lego mammoth. Woolly mammoth. Okay. Now we will take this 2x3 brick. 2x3 brick. Another one. More 2x3. 2x3s. Okay. Keep it. 2x4. One brick. 2 brick. 2x4 brick. Not like this. Like this. Another 2x3 brick. Like this. 1 by 1 brick. 2 pieces. Like this and like this here. 2x3 brick. Okay, now 2x3 brick. First. Like this. Okay, now like this. Okay. Next 2x2 here. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, 4 1x2 bricks. Here and here. This side. Like that. Here and here. Okay, 2x2 bricks, 2 pieces. Here and here. Not like this. 2x3 brick like here. 2x2 corner here. Okay, 2x2 into the corner. Then 1 by 1 modify brick, 2 pieces. Here, this side and this side. Okay, white color round, 2 pieces. For the eyes. This side one, this side one, and this side another one. Here, another 2x2 brick. Like here. Okay. Now we will make the legs. 2x2 3 pieces. One. Fit it on top the this 2x2 brick. Make the another one. Another 3 2x2 brick. Here and here and here top. Okay, now we want 2x2 brick, 4 pieces for 2 back legs. Here 2, here 2. Then 2x3 bricks, 2 here and here. Okay, now we will attach it to this body. Keep here this 2 pieces. Then this 2 here. Please subscribe our channel. We will make the trunk. Okay. 5 1x2 bricks. We will keep like this top of it. Like this. Okay. Then on 2x2 like this. Okay. Not 5, only 3. Like this. We will keep this. Okay. Okay, now we will make tusk. 1/6 white color piece, brick 2 pieces. 1/4 white color piece. Keep here like this, and like this side. And here we'll keep it. Now first this tusk, then we will keep the trunk of it. We'll keep it like this. Next place.
And we are done.
And we are done. This is the mammoth, woolly mammoth. Okay. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye.